In this lesson we're going to look at how to add variations to a product. So I'm actually going to go through the whole of adding a product from start to finish, but with variations. So first thing we do is we go to our dashboard, go to products, click on that, and then add product. And we're going to add some new Woocommerce hooks, but these are the multicoloured double ones. So what I've done is I've actually taken the information from the previous product of the same type, and I'm just going to add this into the system. Right, so the first thing I need to do is update my colours. So we have blue, chartreuse, red and black. Put black in here, front. Really it should be black, white, and then we've got blue, white, chartreuse white, and red and white. Right, so we've done that bit. Next thing we're going to do is choose its category. So these are under home and garden, and then we need to add in our product tags. So I'm just going to choose from the most used tags, and if we just scroll down, we've got Woocommerce knobs, home furnishings, Woocommerce hooks, and I'm going to put in a new one, double hooks. And click add on that one. Right, next thing we do, we come down to the bottom and we actually need to set our product image. So we just scroll down until we actually find our product, and there it is. So I'm going to put double hook into our actual alternative text so that we've got the right product. And set product image. Right, now the next thing we need to do is copy our information here from this down to our short description at the bottom, and that will end up on the side next to the photograph. Now, next thing we're going to have to do is actually set our SKU. So this is the product code. So I'm going to call it NKK, then DB hook MC for multicolour. Now that will be the overall name of the product, and then what we do is we add the colour description to the end of each one of these. Now, next thing we need to do is actually change the product data. So here we've got product data, and at the moment it says simple product. We're going to go to variable product because we actually have variations with this. And instead of going to our inventory, the first thing we're going to do is go to our attributes. And the first thing we do is we click add, and we add in colours. and we're going to enter some values. Now, rather than doing blue, white, red, white and so on, what I'm going to do is just use the name of the colour itself. We've got black, and we put a pipe in, then blue, and a pipe again, and then chartreuse, and if there is a spelling mistake, you can always double check that you've got it right. And the last one is red. Okay, so these are actually our colour variations. Now, just here we have visible on product page and used for variations. We need to tick the used for variations, or otherwise we will not be able to actually show our clients what variations you actually have. And the next thing you do is you save your attributes. So we've saved that. And then the next thing we do is we go into variations. So we click on that. And at the moment, we don't have any variations. So what we do is we click Add Variations. And you'll notice that you've actually got a number here, and it says any colours. So the first colour we're going to choose is black, and we're going to put in our actual SKU, and then at the end we're going to put the colour in black. We're going to put in the number of stock that we have and the variations price. Now you'll notice that we also have here the sale price. Now this is similar to the sale on a single product. If you're trying to sell it, you put in your sale price of £8.50, say for example, and then you schedule your dates. So we're going to put our dates in. Now it does actually say year, month, day, so I'm going to put in that, and we're going to say do it in December and starting on the 1st of December, and we're going to have our sale ending 2014 12 31st. Right, so once you've actually saved that, that will mean that the sale will kick in at the end of the year in December. I'm actually going to remove this because we don't want these actually on sale at the moment, but as you can see, it's quite easy to actually do that. Right, so once we've added one product, we now need to add the other products. So again, we go to any colours, and it shows any colours, and we're going to choose the next colour. We're going to put in our actual product code, and then we're going to put in the colour of it, which is blue in this case, number of stock items, its standard price, and then we add our next product. Have to scroll down as we're doing this because we do run out of space. We've got chartreuse this time, product, and I'll just put in chart for simplicity, put in our price, and then all we've got to do is add in the last item now. So we're going to copy our product code again, put in the colour this time, number of items in stock, price of the item. Right, so once you've actually done that, as you can see, you can add as many products as you like. You just keep on adding all the variations together. So what we're going to do is scroll back up to the top. Now what I do need to do is make sure that I've got my metadata in the information. Now I've got to add in multicoloured, just here, and I'm going to copy this information here for our search engine optimization. So pop that into that, and I'm going to just copy this little section here and add that into my focus keywords. So that's everything to do with the product itself. I've got the product category set. I've actually added my tags, and all I have to do now is click publish. And once this actually publishes, we can now view our product and just go to this, and there we are. We now have a product with variations. So we've got the actual description of the product, and then in this area here it says colours, and you've got choose an option. And if we click on this, it will actually list all of our options. And if I click on black, for example, you can actually see now that it's showing how many are in stock and whether the person wants to add all 4 to them. If they don't like that colour, they just click clear selection. We can go blue, same thing again, back in, it actually shows us number of stock. And as the products get sold, it will actually reduce our stock levels from that point of view. So it works very neatly, and it then enables our person to buy them. Now, what I didn't do with this is I haven't actually added in any related products or products that might be interested in. That can be done at a later date if you wish. This is the end of the lesson.